Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our February BoxyCharm base box. Now we've already done our premium box. If you'd like to see that, I'll have it linked right above, okay? Now for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, all the information is in the description box, okay? Now, the prices, the value for your dollar, all of that good stuff, okay? So, let's just jump in and see what came in this month's box. Now, I'm not sure. Okay, I know right off the bat already. Okay, same thing that happened with our premium box happened with this one. The theme for this month is Treat Your Heart Out. However, once again, we do not have any product information, okay, nor prices, which means I'm going to have to go online and get them so I can let you know, okay? So let's just check it out and see what came in the box. So the first item that we have when we open the box is by YC Collection. And this is the Marble Sponge Duo. All right, it is a cruelty-free product. And these are rather gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and open it so that we can see what they feel like. Oh, I do like the fact that they have a resealable pouch. So even after you use them, wash them and dry them well, you can put them back inside. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Like the color on it too. Very nice. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $20. $20 isn't bad for a set, so that's like $10 for each blender. And you have the one that kind of, you can really hold it well, bounce it across the bottom, for your foundations, as well as the egg-shaped one. We get into the corners very well. Okay, so that's the first item. Then the second item that we have is by Anastasia Beverly Hill. And this is the Dip Brow Gel. It is a 4.4 gram size or a 0.155 ounce size. Okay, and we are all very familiar with, we are all very familiar with Dip Brow. However, okay. And it has an 18-month shelf life. And of course, it is a cruelty-free product. Okay, I'm having a little bit of a moment because we fill out a questionnaire, right? So that you can get the shades that not just you like, but that match your complexion. Why is this blonde? What am I supposed to do with that? Absolutely nothing. There is nothing here that's blonde. This is going to be nuts. I don't even think my daughter-in-law, I don't even think blonde will be her color. I'll ask her anyway. But I'm kind of having a moment with that. If I can't do anything with it, I will be notifying BoxyCharm to let them know. But nonetheless, back to this item at hand. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $20. Now, my apologies that I can't open it and show you what this is like, but it doesn't do me any good. It doesn't do me any good, okay? So it will either, if my daughter-in-law can't use it, it'll go in a giveaway, Actually, I tell you what, The first person that sends a message that you can use this color down below, I'll send it to you. Okay? I'm just saying. No strings attached, as long as you are a subscriber on this channel. But other than that, let me know. I'll send it. Okay, so that's item number 2. Then the next item that we have is by Rare Beauty. And for those of you who don't know, that is Miss Gomez's line, okay? Okay, so this is the line of Selena Gomez, all right? And this is the With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm, okay? And this is a 2.3 gram size or 0.12 ounces. And manufacturer's suggested retail price for this one is $16. This is the outer packaging, and this is what the inner packaging looks like, okay? If it falls over, it's not rolling off of your table, okay? Which is always good to know. Oh my, this is a beautiful shade. Look at that. Let's just go ahead and swatch it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, and it feels nice. It feels nice going on. This is what it looks like. You can tell it's dewy, just how it looks under the light. I like this very much. I'm looking forward to trying this out. Okay, not bad at all. Then the next item that we have is also by Rare Beauty, Selena Gomez yet again, and this one is the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation, and this is a 0.94 fluid ounce size, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. And the shade that I have is 460W, and that's what that shade looks like. All right, it has a 9-month shelf life. That's very interesting. It says a foundation elixir that feels barely there while building coverage and boosting your natural glow. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $30. And this is what the packaging on the inside looks like. That really truly does look like my shade. Now, because this does have such a short shelf life, I'm not going to open this until we're ready to do our try on, our wear the box. So I know my countdown will start then, okay? But this is very nice. It does look like my shade for certain. Okay. So this is item number 4, which means there's one item left in the box. And this is by Beauty Bakerie. Y'all know we talked about them when we did the unboxing of the premium. I love Beauty Bakerie. Their packaging is always so nice looking. This is the item that is enclosed this month. And this is the Beauty Bakerie Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. Okay, and let's see what the inside looks like. I'm pretty certain it's going to look identical. How about that? Okay, and it says that this one is a 1.5 gram size, and there are 9 eyeshadows in this. It has a 12-month shelf life, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $38. Now let's just go ahead and take a look at these shades. They're beautiful. I see some shimmers in here, mattes. How about that? Okay, so shall we swatch? We certainly shall. I think we're going to do mango pudding. Ooh, bread pudding. Let me see if they have my husband's favorite. Yep, and my husband's favorite, which is banana pudding. Okay, and here they are, right here. And let's just go ahead and swatch. Wow. Okay, here for it. With this particular palette, the shades are rather light. Okay, now I'm not saying I can't do anything with it, because I certainly can, but this may be one of the ones I use when I do someone else's makeup. But very, very nice. Very nice. They feel wonderful going on. I don't expect anything different from Cashmere's brand at all. I definitely like this. I am looking forward to using some of the shades. For me, it'll probably be the darker ones. And these lighter ones, I would just use maybe the shimmer. But nonetheless, I'm excited. I'm excited. Who knows? Okay, so that's the last item in our box. Of course, it's a base box. It is a base box. So, what do we think of this box this month? Okay, first of all, this is a makeup-filled box, okay? Out of the 5 products that came in this box, only one of them is not makeup related. However, actually, that's not true. Of the 5 products that came in this month's box, only one of them was not a makeup product, okay? But it was a makeup tool, okay? So, extremely makeup heavy, makeup only, I guess, but I'm okay with that every now and then. Every now and then. Okay, because I do love my skincare. All right, so what do you think? Have you gotten your box yet? Let me know your thoughts down below. Plus, don't forget about our giveaway. I'll give my daughter-in-law something else if that is indeed the case. Actually, before I put this video up, I'm going to call her and see what she says, okay? And then once I post the video, if you hear that bit of information still in there, you know it's because it's not going to suit her either. Okay, so I just want to tell you I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our February BoxyCharm Base Box, okay? Now, these are the items that are enclosed, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside, okay? Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. But remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.